Welcome to Dap for Do. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful wall hanging terrarium. So this can be made at home. I have linked in all the videos of these artificial succulents how to it can be made. So this is the ring which I have. I am using this for the terrarium today. You can use any kind of metal chocolate box, a cardboard box. This is from the exhaust fan which I've got. It has some guiding lines also. So we will cover half of the part with the OHP sheet. So this you can use any thick OHP sheet, or you can use any transparent acrylic paper also if you have with you. I am using this plastic or the acrylic box which I have with me. So always try to mark the outer circle of the measurement, which will help us to paste it. Then I'm cutting it into the semicircle shape so that this will hold and the plants would come out. So I've made two of them. I am using super glue over here. You can use any Fevikwik adhesive also. Make sure that there are no air gaps over here. If you find any, fill it up with the super glue. Okay, so I have repeated the same process on the back side also. So here I am using tea powder, some husk, some colored sand over here. So you can use any material which is available to you, like sand, gravel, or normal soil also. You can plant real succulents also into this if it is strong enough to hold. So one layer I have filled it up with the sand, and now I am adding the husk. So this will be very lightweight, so I am using husk and dried tea powder here. I am placing these succulent plants. I have the videos on how to make them, and I am filling up the next layer with the tea powder. You can use any white color gravel over here also to give much better look. So likewise you can arrange the plants. I've added the string of pearls at the corner so that it will look and balance the weight of the wall hanging. So I'll add more succulents. So this is how beautifully our wall terrarium is ready to be decorated. So you can make it within budget, and it will be very beautiful and give an elegant look to your wall. I hope you enjoyed today's video and like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share my work. Namaste.